This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now they both have the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, have 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and they're both on One UI 2.5. Both phones are basically similar spec-wise. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time, see which one has faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G versus Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G speed test. This should be a fun one. Which phone will have the faster boot up? Oh, very close. I think it was the Z Fold, actually a little bit quicker here. Let me know in the comments below. You guys ultimately are the judges. And we are in. All right, man, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna do this on both phones. No recently used apps, all apps, caches, browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. I think that was the Note. Messages. I think that was the Z Fold. The camera. Now this might be a challenge on the Z Fold 2. I'm gonna do it like this. And I'm gonna pick this one up also. Draw. Clock on both phones. Start that up, leave that running in the background. Calculator. Another draw. Play Store. Very similar. You guys are the judges. Click on this Pokemon. We'll leave it there. And then we do have Amazon. And very similar. Let's see, I'm gonna click on, what can I click on? Click on this item. We'll leave it on that page. And then we do have eBay. Whoops, what happened here? Huh, that was interesting. Little bug on the Z Fold. I'm gonna try that again for fairness. Maybe that was a one-off. Huh, very similar in terms of the speed. But look at the difference in screen size though, between the Z Fold 2 and even a phone like the Note. Now the Note 20 Ultra, this has a 6.9-inch display, almost a 7-inch display. This one, 7.6 inches, but just look at the difference though. You see so much more on the Z Fold 2. It's very nice. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones, and what will happen right here? Ooh, a little bit faster on the right. We'll tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Enchanted Palace. Man, that Z Fold 2 screen though. Whew. And it's very close. I don't know which one is out in front. We'll let this run, see what happens. A little bit faster on the right. Tap to play. Subway Surf. Man, that display again on the Z, I can't get over it. A little bit faster on the Z Fold. We'll tap to play. And then we do have Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. Ooh, I think the Fold is ahead. And we'll give the win to the Fold on this one. But it's very close. Not a big difference really. And then we have the Fold changing orientation on me again. So I'm gonna flip it over. And then next up we do have Asphalt 9. Straighten this out. That display. Woo! Can't get over it, man, my bad. Ooh, a little bit faster on the Note though, I think. We'll tap play once. And then we do have PUBG, of course. Ooh, I think the Note 20 is out front, I think. Loading on both. Very close. I think that was the Z Fold 2, but this one has different stuff coming up. So I don't know, you guys are the judges. Generally, they're both very fast, very similar in terms of the performance. Twitter. I think that was the Z Fold. Instagram. A lot faster on the Note. Snapchat. Very similar, I think that was the Note again. And then we do have Samsung Internet, of course. And then we'll do a search for GSM Arena. GSM. Okay, we're just gonna press the first search result, and then what will happen right here. And then boom, let's go. A little bit faster on the right. Ad came up first. Yeah, this 120 on both phones, but especially like on the Z Fold 2, 120 combined with a big display like this. Woo! I mean, look at this. Super smooth, and just the sheer size of it. I mean, this display is just so good. We'll click on one of these links. Let's just click on this one. We'll test the internet speed, and a little bit faster on the Note again. I think this ad came up first on it, but very similar performance. The actual browsing experience, I'll have to give the edge to the Z Fold 2 5G. I mean, just look at this. This is just much more enjoyable to use. All right, let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see that both phones have 12 gigs of RAM, very similar specs. So let's see what happens. We have IG here, Twitter, PUBG. Good to go on both phones. It's very nice. And then let's see, we do have the Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. Angry Birds 2. Ready to go again. This one. You can resume, no problem. This one. Again, you can resume, wait a couple seconds. Boom, keep playing. Nice. Mario Run. Mario Time on both, no issues. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, good to go. This one, right there. Clock, whoops. Still running in the background, nice. Camera. And then we do have messages, very nice. And finally, the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, are you a Note user or do you prefer something like the Z Fold 2? Now honestly, I think what Samsung needs to do is they need to come out maybe next year on the Fold 3, a folding phone like this with an S Pen, and maybe they're gonna throw an S Pen on the S series now. Maybe the S21 Ultra will have an S Pen. That's just my kind of prediction. We'll see what happens in 2021. But anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.